The countdown is really on now. June's gonna be here before we know it. We've got 3 cabins done, which I think is enough to open and get some paying guests in here. But I need a place to greet those guests.
We can do so much in here.
And I need to get the main house done so Harley and I will have a place to stay when we're working on the camp. It's a lot to do and not much time to do it.
We need a lot of upgrades here.
You don't like the countertops?
No, burn them.
These are like coming back in style now. We're doing these in all the high-end kitchens.
Of course.
What do you think of the floors?
I like the floors.
What do you think of the floor? He's like,
He's happy on the
I
floor.
love the floor. It's nice and cool and I can sleep. I think a big thing too is there's really no space for a big table for a family to gather. So, you know, I'm thinking if we open up that wall a little bit, that maybe we could do like a banquette here or a table.
Yep.
And then it'll just kind of like be living, dining, kitchen all combined.
Agreed.
The primary bedroom, this space just makes no sense.
Yeah, no.
I think we probably could squeeze a bathroom in here, and then we'd have our bedroom, our bathroom. We could even like go through this wall and take some of that space.
Right.
And then if you come into the existing bathroom, I'll show you.
That's what I was thinking.
So in that closet, you would come through right here.
Exactly. But ultimately, it's what is it going to cost and if it's feasible.
We have $100,000 budgeted for the house. We can update the kitchen with new cabinets, appliances, and layout. Take down the wall to open up and connect the kitchen, dining, and living spaces. And if we can swing it financially, we should turn the single main floor bathroom into 2.
Yeah, no, that sounds good.
You can start taking the trim off. Me and Scott will start working on getting these cabinets out.
All right. Ow! Ugh, we got it. All right.
Babe, when it's freezing cold tonight, we don't have a thermostat anymore. Yeah, keep going.
Go, Scott. Oh,
A little more, keep going.
I mean, come on.
Come look at now from here. Like now you can picture
Yes.
exactly how it's gonna feel.
Yeah.
And I definitely think this is the right decision. One of the things we need before we open is a welcome center for guests to check in. So what do you think? I think it's a go.
Yeah, let's start. Sooner the better.
So we decided to renovate the garage for that.
And I'm hoping my brother and sister can help me come up with a plan for the space.
The garage. Okay.
I need a place where people can come, check in, we can give them information, give them their keys, you know, just a hotel lobby, basically.
Right.
I've been so busy concentrating on getting the cottages done that I have not thought this space out yet. You know, we need a spot for a computer, maybe a filing cabinet. And that's as far as I've gotten. How do you guys see filling the rest of the space?
We just walked through garage doors. You're not going to have people walking through garage doors, are you?
My plan is either people can walk around, come through that door, or we're gonna have to put a door where the windows are. Possibly like a big door, maybe a sliding door, maybe French doors, the doors that open like this.
Yeah, and they could come right in from the campgrounds and stuff. And like, are you gonna have somebody here, like a receptionist, or is it just gonna be a common area where people can grab their keys and like have their keys laid out, or like they could come like get coffee and pastries in the morning or something like that?
What about a little country-ish store? I think you should turn this into a mini country store.
Right.
Somebody's gonna have to work it because you're gonna have, what if somebody runs out of sunscreen? You want sunscreen, you want firewood, life jackets, T-shirts, mugs, maple syrup, you know, things like that.
I love the idea of sundries. I'm not so sure about the merch.
People want to take that home because they want to remember the experience.
Thank you.
You know, when they go to our concerts, I'd say buy the
True,
T-shirt
yes.
to remember the experience.
Yes.
I don't know who would buy a T-shirt. Would you guys buy a T-shirt?
Yeah.
There's a lot to think about.
Yeah.
This is just gonna have to evolve. Like, I think we know the function of the space,
Right.
and you know what we need to bring into it.
I mean, time's a ticking, so I guess you might need to make some decisions.
Yeah.
My family's right. I need to start making some decisions about the business, and it's overwhelming.
I texted Christina that I'm stressed, and she sent me an address and said to meet her there.
Hi.
Okay, this does not look like a coffee shop. I thought we were gonna get coffee.
I never said coffee. I just said I had a place to send you. Listen, I haven't heard you this overwhelmed in a while, so I figure you have to get your stress out somehow. Sometimes it's throwing a sharp object.
Okay.
Here's an idea. I'm gonna ask you about something that's stressing you out, and you're gonna throw that. So you're gonna just get it out there. What is the first thing that comes to mind when I say what's stressing you out the most?
I need more time. More time and keep my fingers. Oh my goodness.
So how did you feel when the camper blew up?
You had to bring that up. Really? I was looking so forward to that. It was like on the way, I was getting updates, and then just
I know, but maybe there's something else that will give you that like retro
I
feel.
wanted that so bad. That was
Whoa.
something
Having another axe.
This is how I feel about my trailer
Hi.
blowing up in the
Hi.
middle of a highway.
I don't know if that's
We are doing
permissible.
doubles.
You got 1 out of 2. All right, so what is the next thing?
The budget. Getting the business off the ground. Finding somebody to brand. Do a website. Somebody to do PR. Take that. Cleaning. Landscaping.
Oh! See, does that make you feel better? Look at that.
That's a sign right there.
Okay? Your business is gonna be fine.
I'm learning to let go, and I'm loving this.
I'm the one that control. Full tilt going beast mode. Turn it up. I can't get enough. Bang.
Whoa!
Good job! Good job, Jon. And you might have found your new sport.
I want one of these.
I don't think there is T-shirts.
I think
You got T-shirt. You got shirts.
yes.
Did you talk to Jon?
No.
He doesn't want T-shirts.
Well, hey, you know what? If you have an establishment, you have to have merchandise.
I agree, but he is so against selling T-shirts. He's gonna flip if he sees those.
Listen, I took a risk, and I think he's gonna love them.
All right.
Shall we see?
Yay!
Hey, Jon! Jonathan!
What?
Come in here for a minute.
Surprise!
Doesn't it look awesome?
Oh my goodness.
What a transformation.
All done for you.
Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
We figured you could use some help, sweetheart.
I think this is like the perfect space, and you guys nailed it. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
I know we talked about putting some family pictures of us up from our days at Grandma and Grandpa's cottage. So we had these blown up and thought it would be a perfect spot for them.
Look at that.
I know, right?
And this guy, look at this guy.
The
Get him
famous
over there.
picture.
That's such memories.
Hey, don't touch the merchandise.
Yeah, we have to make a profit from
10
that.
cents.
Yeah.
So, John, I know I've been after you for getting some merchandise.
Yeah.
So I kind of took it upon myself to make you up some T-shirts and sweatshirts.
You did.
I hope you approve.
I am pleasantly surprised at how awesome these are, and I don't know, I might have to steal one. I love it. I love it. I approve. From the start of this whole project, in my mind, it just felt like I was failing. And that was really, really frustrating.
Show me something deep inside you. Are you gonna let me in? Only if you let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in.
You know, but as things progressed and I think as I had more confidence in myself, the mood changed. And now it's just like, look at what we accomplished. It's gonna be magical.
Let me in, 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 let me in.
Oh, there they are.
Hey.
Hi.
Main house is finally done.
Finally!
Excited to show you guys. Ready?
Well, let's go.
Ready? I know, ready. Let's
What
go.
are we waiting
I know.
You guys got to see this. You got to see it.
Whoa, big change.
Isn't it a big change? This is beautiful.
You guys lighten this wood up?
I came in here with a sander and just started sanding everything. So we kept it the way it was. We just sanded all the varnish off.
You know what? It looks nice. Fresher.
brightened up the
It's a
room.
fresher feel.
The paintings from our painting party.
Doing the painting party with all of you was so fun, and we came up with some really cute paintings, which are now displayed in our lake house.
Everyone's
Exactly.
came
Everyone
out
had
great.
such talent.
Yeah. I love the lamp. This is a beautiful table, John. Oh, because before you had the older cabinets up in the corners, right?
Yeah, I felt a little weird taking those out, but it really just made more dining space. So now we have this big, wide opening and a brand new kitchen. We widened the whole entryway just to give connectivity to here into the living room.
This looks amazing.
This kitchen was so dated. So I really wanted this kitchen to feel updated, but still have a nod to the past.
I'm glad you went for the edge detail on the kitchen cabinet. That's super retro. Like, if you put a basic shaker cabinet in here, it would have just felt like a new kitchen.
That stove, though, it's like a work of art. It's beautiful.
If anybody needs a pee break, that's a clue as to where we're going next.
Together?
This was one big space, and we now divided it. We have a dedicated laundry room with all this storage, and provide the first floor with its own powder room. Is that an alien? Is that a spaceship?
Oh, you gotta see this.
I know it.
Oh my gosh! That poor lady, she's in for some adventure, isn't she?
I think powder rooms, you can be unexpected, and the other stuff was practical. The dark counter, the faucet that's retro.
Well, it's going to be a talking point, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
Bathroom, it's so quirky, it's so funny.
Oh!
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Now, this is plaid. I
Wait,
like
did
it,
you do
though.
that in a good way or a bad way?
No, it's very different. Again, I would never think of something like this. But it works here.
I know.
So just rearranging this part of the house changed it so much. Basically, we just took the closet that existed and moved it over to here so that we were able to access into the bathroom.
Love this.
The wainscoting frames the mirror and your light fixtures. And you have all this light from this wonderful window.
We just put in a brand new tub. We found this amazing green shiny tile, which I love it. It's textured, it has movement.
It's a very manly bathroom.
I was going to say,
It really is.
It's very simple but elegant. So it just feels so good to sit here and have a finished house. I mean, we have done so much work, and we now have a home base for us to not be in chaos. And it's just been so...
This is another chapter in our life. And
It's been so awesome that you've put up with me for the last long while. You know, you put up with a lot, and I am, I'm proud to call you my husband. I'm proud that we're a family, and we are now not only a family of two, we're a family of three.
oh, thanks, babe.
well, thank you so much for giving us a tour of this beautiful home.